In this video, you will learn how to portrait and landscape pages in same Word file or document. Currently, you can see here I have a Word file, and if I scroll down, you can easily observe that I have pages for both orientation, landscape as well as portrait. If I zoom out, you can see the clear picture. Now you can easily observe that I have 3 pages in portrait mode and 1 page in landscape dimension or landscape orientation. So let's learn how to create a Word file which contain pages in portrait as well as landscape orientation. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Now I have opened a Word file and I am interested to change the orientation of page number 3. This one, I will change its orientation from portrait to landscape. I will explain two easy methods. In first method, we will use section break to change the orientation of page, and in second method, we will use inbuilt function of Microsoft Word which do not need any section break. So let's jump to first method. Firstly, I will create a section break here. For that purpose, I will create different section. If I make any changes in page orientation, that changes will be applied to only one section. So how we can create section? For example, we are interested to change the orientation of page number 3. I will click at the end of page 2. Now you can see here I have clicked there. Go to layout option, and here you will find the option of break. Select this one. Here is the option of section break, and from here I will choose next page. Now we have successfully inserted break here. If I go to home and click on this show hide button, you can easily observe that we have inserted section break. Then click on at the end of page or at the end of text. I will click here and I will go to layout option. Again repeat the procedure, break, section break, and choose next page. Now you can easily observe that section break is inserted here. Now this file contains 3 sections. First 2 pages, 1 section. Third page, second section. And fourth page is our third section. Now I am interested to change the orientation of third page. Before that, I will go to home and I will deselect this show hide option. Now click anywhere on page 3. It means that we have selected section 2. Now simply go to layout option, and here is the option of orientation. Select this one, and from here choose the landscape. Now you will observe that only the orientation of this section is changed, or this page. If I move these pages, this one is our first page, this one is our second page, this one is our third page, and this one is our fourth page. Now if I am interested to change the orientation of this section, remember that this section comprised of 2 pages and the orientation of both pages will change. For example, I will click anywhere here, go to orientation option, and from here I will choose landscape. Now you can observe that the orientation of both pages is changed now. Now I will explain easiest method to change the orientation of page, and again I will choose page 3 to change the orientation from portrait to landscape. I will select this one. After selecting this one, go to page layout option again, and at the corner of page setup you will find the option of arrow. Click here. A dialog box will be appeared. From here you will find the option of orientation. From here select landscape, and here is the option of apply to these changes. I will only select selected text. Click on OK. So this is the simplest method. Select all text of that particular page and choose this option. Now you can see here The orientation of remaining pages remain the same and orientation of only selected text is changed now. I will again undo it. Now there is another useful option. For example, I am interested to change the orientation of remaining pages to landscape. It means that this is the page number 3 and we are interested to change the orientation of page number 3 and 4th and so on. What we will do, click anywhere here, again go to layout option and click on this page setup arrow sign. Click here, a dialog box will be appeared. From here select landscape orientation and apply to this point forward. Click on OK. Now you can observe that page number 3 and 4th orientation is changed now and these are the landscape. So by using any of these methods you can easily change the orientation of pages from portrait to landscape inward. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.